Hello and welcome to Team Vitality. My name is Peteni Kuzwayo, your Team Vitality Club manager. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about South Africa's most rewarding running and cycling club. Once you've signed up to Team Vitality, you will receive a welcome mailer. Your first step is to collect your Team Vitality race kit. This is the registered club kit that all members must wear at official race events. You can use the codes in the welcome mailer to collect your new kit from Sportsman's Warehouse in Canal Walk, Moffat Retail Park, Eden Meander Lifestyle Center, Rhonda Bosch, Centurion, Four Ways, Santon, or Gateway. Once you're all kitted out, let's get you rewarded. You can get 50% back on some of South Africa's biggest race events with Team Vitality. We'll pay your rewards into your nominated bank account or your Discovery Miles account once you've earned 50 rands back or more. Plus, join us at our VIP hospitality at selected race events where you can enjoy delicious refreshments afterwards with your fellow club members. To see where we'll be at and what you expect, check out our Vitality race calendar for upcoming events. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down some more. What you then do is click on View Race Calendar. It will populate this screen here. You then have an option of choosing between running and cycling. And then the year, I'll then just choose April. It then populates a calendar for you with various events. What you want to do is come to the extreme right here, where it then shows you the Team Vitality hospitality events that we'll be at. Pretty simple, really. So what I'm going to do is close this tab and just kind of talk you through additional benefits, all right? So you can get additional discounts on Strava. Okay, so that's 50% off Strava. In addition, you get a 25% off your Ice ID Pro bracelet. And as a cycling member, you get discounted access to Move My Bicycle, where you get one free bicycle transport plus a 15% discount afterwards with Move My Bicycle on your second usage. Importantly, for both the Strava subscription and the Move My Bicycle, you need to send us an email to teamvitality@discovery.co.za to then get your codes emailed back to you. Excellent. So the website, as you can see, very user-friendly. You get information on events, news, and communities. The shop, which I'll take you through just now, and everything you need to know about licenses. We then have, a fantastic community online on Facebook, both the running and the cycling, on Strava, both the running and the cycling, and on Zwift, where you can connect with us and myself. We also have our Team Vitality Champions program. All right. To find out more about it, you simply click or join a province, a zone around your province. And what the Team Vitality Champions program is a group of runners and cyclists from your communities who are here to help you train, get rewarded, and achieve your personal goals. All right. They organize regular training opportunities from designated areas all throughout the year, and you can pretty much get more information on all of that on this particular tab. I'm going to go back here. If you'd like to become a Team Vitality champion, pretty easy. You click on here and you can fill out the application form on there, and we'll be in contact. And then I did mention our shop. We've got our Discovery shop where you can get training kit. So you simply click on the shop online, and it should populate the range of kit that you can purchase, from tees and vests to tights, jackets, warmers, caps. So yeah, quite a nice range of kit that you can purchase from the Discovery shop online. Okay, I'm going to close this tab. And then, of course, from a licensing perspective, you've got the various clubhouses across the country where we are located in Central Gauteng, Pretoria, the Eastern Province, KZN, the Southwest District, and the Western Province. Excellent stuff. So once again, fantastic resource that you can use. This is our Team Vitality website. And yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait to see you on the road as we paint South Africa pink, both in the running and the cycling. See you on the road shortly. Cheers.